In fact, our reporter tried to speak to the minister, listen in to what he had to say, because Kailash Vijayvargiya has dodged all accountability over the deaths which have happened in Indore. He is a serving minister in Mohan Yadav's Council of Ministers. And let's not forget that people are dying because of this bad quality water. It's a poisonous water. And Kailash Vijayvargiya says, "Kal batayenge." Let's listen into that. And then I'm going to come back to all of you.
मंत्री है मध्य प्रदेश सरकार में कैलाश विजयवर्गीय। कैलाश जी, आज तक उन घरों में गया है जहां पर हमने देखा है कि लोगों के सीवेज का पानी जो है वो घुस रहा है। क्या कहेंगे उन लोगों को जिनके घर में सीवेज का पानी जा रहा है?
कल बताएंगे आपको।
लेकिन सर, आप एक मिनट, आप चुप्पी तो नहीं साध सकते ना सर। लोगों की मौतें हो रही है, आप चुप्पी साधे हुए हैं, आप चुप्पी नहीं साध सकते। सर, सवाल का जवाब क्योंकि इसलिए हम पूछ रहे हैं, ये सवाल उन लोगों के हैं जो लोग परेशान हैं। कैलाश जी, उनके घर में नाले का पानी जा रहा है, वो पानी पीने के लिए वो विवश है, लोगों की मौतें हो रही हैं। 3-4 साल से वो ये लोग जो है ये सवाल उठाते रहे और आप अब चुप्पी साधे हुए हैं। सर, इस चुप्पी का कोई चुप्पी तो नहीं होनी चाहिए। आप कह रहे हैं कल बताएंगे, कल तक लोग आपका इंतजार करेंगे। तो लोग लगातार बीमार पड़ रहे हैं। कैलाश जी, ये देखिए कैलाश विजयवर्गीय जो मंत्री हैं मध्य प्रदेश सरकार में, चुप्पी साध कर यहाँ से चले गए।
So here is Kailash Vijayvargiya, who was mayor of Indore just 20 years ago and right now is a minister, is also an MLA of this particular constituency, and he says, "Kal batayenge," when that question is asked repeatedly by Piyush, who is our correspondent right now on ground in Indore covering this really heartbreaking story. These are homes in which the drinking water is actually contaminated to such an extent that nobody seems to be accountable at all. And the minister is saying, "Kal batayenge." Can that be a response here, Chinmay Mishra? Can those who have lost their lives, their loved ones be told, "Kal batayenge"?
नहीं, ये तो कोई रिस्पांस हो नहीं सकता और ये एक किस्म से उनकी हेल्पलेसनेस को सामने दिखा रहा है और जो गवर्नमेंट है उसकी हेल्पलेसनेस को आपके सामने दिखा रहा है। एक असहायता है और एक शर्म भी है जो कुछ वो कर रहे हैं। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वो अनऑथराइज्ड कंस्ट्रक्शन जो पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में हुआ, जिसकी वजह से ये कंटामिनेशन हुआ, उसके ऊपर कोई एक्शन नहीं हो रहा है। जो अधिकारी यहाँ 10-10 साल से बैठे हुए हैं, जो ऑफिसर्स बैठे हैं, जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं, उन पर एक पर भी एक्शन नहीं हुए। जूनियर ऑफिसर्स पर एक्शन से क्या फायदा होगा? मेयर की ये प्रॉब्लम है कि मेयर मीटिंग बुलाते हैं, 3-3 घंटे बैठे रहते हैं, ऑफिसर्स नहीं आते। और उसके बावजूद अगर इस जो पर्टिकुलर प्लेस है, इसका टेंडर 1.5 साल पहले फाइनल हो चुका है। 18 months बैक इट वाज फाइनल। अभी तक वो रिलीज नहीं हुआ है। अभी 3 रोज पहले जब ये सारा हुआ, उसके बाद वो टेंडर को शो करेंगे, मार्केट में देंगे। 1.5 साल से उसका टेंडर नहीं है। कल उस एडिशनल कमिश्नर को आज उन्होंने सवेरे से हटाया है। तो ये पूरी प्रॉब्लम जो चल रही है, ये दरअसल कोई एक दिन में होने वाली प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ये प्रॉब्लम जो है ये पूरी तरह से एक सिस्टम के फेलियर की निशानी है। और उससे बड़ी बात ये है कि ये
that question that was asked by Piyush again, and then I'll bring in others, and I want to understand from you, Abhilash Khandekar in particular, about the fact that there is someone who has to take moral responsibility. Accountability has to be fixed, and the buck stops here with whom?
Indeed, the accountability has to be, fixed. And if we start from the top, I must tell your audience that the Chief Minister, Dr. Mohan Yadav, is in charge of Indore district for the last 2 years. And if we start it from the bottoms up approach, then the mayor who is in the office for another 3 years or 2 years. So either the mayor has to take responsibility, the urban development minister, he is from Indore, he is a very senior cabinet minister, and the chief minister, the responsibility has to be fixed politically. There is no point in, of course, there are issues about the bureaucracy, but fact remains that the municipal corporation has been under BJP's regime for last 20-25 years, and nobody has been able to, and this is a slap in the face of the cleanest city of the country. So what kind of cleanliness they are showing? People are dying here and nobody is resigning. because it is BJP which doesn't ask for any resignations. The mayor is under scanner. The urban development minister is under doubt, and the chief minister is just not speaking anything about Indore. And like wing commander said that only last year young kids and infants died because of the rat biting in a government hospital. So what is happening to Indore, which was ruled by Devi Ahilyabai once upon a time, was known for good governance.
Okay, I'm going to play that, attempt at asking questions to Kailash Vijayvargiya again, and then I'll bring in Piyush.
He has been snubbed by the BJP High Command now because
में कैलाश विजयवर्गीय। कैलाश जी, आज तक उन घरों में गया है जहां पर हमने देखा है कि लोगों के सीवेज का पानी जो है वो घुस रहा है। क्या कहेंगे उन लोगों को जिनके घर में सीवेज का पानी था?
कल बताएंगे आपको।
लेकिन सर, आप एक मिनट, आप चुप्पी तो नहीं साध सकते ना सर। लोगों की मौतें हो रही है, आप चुप्पी साधे हुए हैं, आप चुप्पी नहीं साध सकते सर। सवाल का जवाब क्योंकि इसलिए हम पूछ रहे हैं, ये सवाल उन लोगों के हैं जो लोग परेशान हैं। कैलाश जी, उनके घर में नाले का पानी जा रहा है, वो पानी पीने के लिए वो विवश है, लोगों की मौतें हो रही हैं। 3-4 साल से वो ये लोग जो है ये सवाल उठाते रहे और आप अब चुप्पी साधे हुए हैं। सर इस चुप्पी का कोई ये चुप्पी तो नहीं होनी चाहिए। आप कह रहे हैं कल बताएंगे, कल तक लोग आपका इंतजार करेंगे। तो लोग लगातार बीमार पड़ रहे हैं। कैलाश जी, ये देखिए, कैलाश विजयवर्गीय जो मंत्री हैं मध्य प्रदेश सरकार में, चुप्पी साध कर यहाँ से चले गए।
And I'm going to go to Piyush, who tried to speak to Kailash Vijayvargiya. Of course, he had no answer, and the only answer that he gave was "Kal batayenge." Piyush?
Well, certainly, Maria, we tried multiple times to ask questions from Kailash Vijayvargiya, but he kept on saying, "Hum kal batayenge, hum kal batayenge." But he's the same leader who at once went to their houses, the victims' houses, and sought their votes. He's the same leader who was, also roaming around in the same lanes, the same streets when he had to become the MLA of this constituency. But today, when the same voters of Indore constituency are agitated, are frustrated, they do not have proper drinking water facilities in their houses. To them, Kailash Vijayvargiya says, "Hum kal batayenge." The point here is that when will this kal come? When will the answers come from the government? Because people are seeking answers from the government, and this shows the complete failure of the entire administration. You would remember, Maria, that the government was saying that they have taken all these steps to ensure proper facilities of water. But when we went there in the houses of people of Indore, we saw how the sewage, untreated sewage water was entering in the houses of people, and that was contaminating the water. People were telling us that once Kailash Vijayvargiya, when visited the locality, he himself did not drink that water. He just touched the water and he did not consume that water. So when Kailash Vijayvargiya could not consume that water, then how could he imagine that people of his constituency will have this water? And there are multiple questions to which not only Kailash Vijayvargiya, but the various representatives of this entire constituency will have to answer. But when questions were posed to Kailash Vijayvargiya, he kept on saying, "Hum kal batayenge." It remains to be seen when will this kal comes.
So there is no kal when it is for those families who have lost their loved ones. Remember, 10 are dead and nearly 200 people have been hospitalized. And the answer which has come from the minister is "Kal batayenge." This is a clear example of the minister dodging his responsibility, not taking accountability. When will that be fixed is the larger question.